What's up, brothers? My name is Graphings, and today we're going to draw one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, and his name is Pewdiepie. Now that we found a reference photo, we need to sketch it out because we don't want to turn him into a monster. Well, anyway, I've been watching PewDiePie's videos since he was a smaller YouTuber. He was actually the one who inspired me to become a YouTuber as well. Okay, brothers, the sketch is done. Now it's time for the real drawing.
Delicious.
Okay, brothers, the outlining is done. Now to add a delicious shading. But first, we need to explode PewDiePie. No, just kidding. We love PewDiePie. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, so we can become a big brother nation, of course. Okay, my brothers, here's the delicious shading.
Delicious.
By the way, I hope everyone's safe at home during this whole quarantine thing. And if you're bored at home, just consider drawing or watch all my videos. I really enjoy drawing these delicious black lines. And speaking of delicious, I think I'm getting really hungry now. Tell me if you like to put a lot of ketchup on your fries. I know I do. It's so delicious.
Delicious.
I could eat this all day. Now let's steal some fries from my niece. I think she won't mind. Okay. Note to self, never do this again. She's mad at me forever.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Alright, let's finish off our delicious black lines and start our sweet ass coloring. I don't got money to buy them sweet ass Copic markers yet, but I did find a way to blend these sweet colors with my crayons, eraser, and color pencil. I made a whole video explaining it all. You can check it out right here in the upper right corner. But basically, just use your eraser to smudge the crayons and then use your color pencil to get those sweet ass colors. It's getting late now, so we'll continue with those sweet ass colors tomorrow. Oh, it's tomorrow already? That went fast. Now I'm really hungry. Let's go eat a pineapple. Wait, this isn't a pineapple? No! This is a pineapple.
Delicious.
Now I'll magically make my pencil appear. Now that we have our colored pencil, let's continue our sweet ass coloring. Uh-oh, we got a problem here, guys. We ran out of ink. No! Okay, we recovered it. Oh yeah! Now that we've placed our signature, we're gonna put this piece with the rest of my artwork. Unless PewDiePie wants it, of course. I'll pack my bags and bring it straight to him. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, brothers, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll say, until next time.